Welcome back to Danja Knife and Tool. Today I have the Husk Chef's Knife Series Premium Japan Stainless. Alright, this is basically a portable pack of chef's folding knives. This is kind of heavy, man. This thing's got some weight to it, I'll tell you that right now. I thought this was really cool. You know, barbecues, something like that, maybe bring these out, you know, bring them out in the yard, whatever, bring them to a friend's house, whatever, you know, mobile chef kind of situation, if you will. Cool box, black with the silver, hard to see the silver on the camera there, but we're not here to look at the box, let's get into the knives. Nice case, this thing's got some weight to it, seriously. Bam, look at that, look at that, alright, nice wood handles. Let's pull these puppies out. Alright. Oh yeah. This is a big knife. This is a big knife. A little oil on there. It's alright. Better to be oiled than not, right? Let's get that cleaned up. Nice little line lock. Very comfortable handles. Let's get them all out here. Let's get this case out of here. This one's got no thumb studs but a thumb hole. So thumb studs. No thumb studs, and thumb studs again. Okay. These are big. These things are great. Let's get this thing out of here. Alright, this one's a little stiff. This is the big boy. What I noticed, I took these out, I unboxed these last night, as a matter of fact. And I don't know if you can see it on camera. These are going to have to wait, like this one's a little stiff. I can probably loosen up the fit of it, but these aren't made to be flipper knives. But if you notice, yeah, you can see there's, I guess those are the bronze phosphor washers. I guess like a Benchmade almost. And let me tell you, every bug out I get is pretty stiff out of the box, and they got to wear in. Some of these open a little better than others. Some are a little more looser, but you know they all say Husk Japan on them. And the steel, I believe I looked up, was this is a 440C, which is a very, very good quality steel. It's what we all carried in the 80s and 90s, pretty much, before all these super steels came out. These things are, I like these things. These things are cool. Let's put them like this so we can see the difference in the blades, everything else. Nice chunky blades on these things too. Nice thick blades. I love the serrations on this. Everything here is razor sharp. Razor sharp. And again, great contouring, great feel. They say the wood handle has an aroma. It does have a slight sweet aroma. It smells nice. They weren't kidding, I guess. Let's put them here. Wow, over 10, almost 10.5 inches on this cleaver looking guy. Let's see, about 9 for the smallest one. This guy's about 9 1/4, 9.5. And this guy is about just hitting the 10 mark. I'm digging this set. Alright, now what I'm digging about it even more is you can buy these online for about $20 a piece. Okay, so then they have this set that's usually listed for about $79.97 or something like that. Some, you know, around 80 bucks. But if you keep your eye on these and do not buy the individual ones and buy the set, I got these for 50% off. Alright, so you might want to check Amazon on it. Let's do a comparison with those off trail that we usually use. Alright, how silly is that? This is how big these knives are, guys. You know, this is my usual daily carry, not in this color, but whatever. Just for comparison, I think it's hilarious that the size difference is insane. But nice quality. I don't like single-sided thumb studs usually. Alright, but again, these are all single-sided thumb studs, again with the oil on this. But not bad quality at all, and for the purposes of cutting up meats and whatever, and vegetables and a barbecue, I think this is more than adequate, more than cool enough, more than fun to have a, you know, a folding, you know, chef's kit like this. You know, break these back down. Love the serrated one for some reason. I mean, heck, I could put a pot clip on this and carry it, but it wouldn't be illegal in most states, so don't do that, people. Don't do that. So there you have it. I can definitely recommend this. I haven't cut, listen, I don't need to cut anything with these blades. these things are like razor blades. All right, I know this is going to cut anything I needed to cut. I don't even have to test these. I will just take these to the next barbecue I'm invited to and throw them on a table, and here we go, boys. Now we're having fun. All right, so check it out. I like anything from Japan usually. So Husk is Japan, whatever. 440C steel. Don't be confused when you see 440, because there is 440A, 440B, which are not so great steels. But 440C, which these are, is a good steel. All right, if you like what I'm doing here, hit that subscribe button. Hit me in the comments. Have a great day. See you on the next one.